Java JDK latest version 25 official website నుంచి easiest method లో how to download install on in your PC and laptop. Browser open, Google search box లో Java download enter key press. Official link second section లో display oracle.com Java downloads second link click. Oracle official web page complete display Java downloads section లో mouse scroll down. JDK 25 latest version default detect previous version JDK 21 Java SE development kit 25 download section లో supporting OS Linux Mac OS Windows present Windows setup third option Windows click. Bottom side last option x64 MSI installer. File size second section display 181.02 MB. Downloads third section lo third link mouse left click. Download section lo JDK-25 Windows x64 bin.msi Microsoft installer. File downloading process start. Wait and hear downloading process completing. Downloading process completed. Right side show in folder icon click. Browser close. Left side downloads folder lo JDK-25 setup file display. Select mouse double click. Open file security warning window lo first button run click. Preparing to install. Download folder minimize. Welcome to the installation wizard for Java SE Development Kit 25 window first button next click. Destination folder default path display installation location local disk C program files newly created folder Java subfolder JDK-25 second button next click. Java TM SE Development Kit 25 window first button yes click. Progress window status copying new files. Extracting process completed successfully installed. Close button click. Download folder reopen. Left side this PC option select. Local disk C select open. Program files folder select open. Java folder select open. JDK folder select mouse double click. Top section of address bar mouse left click mouse right click copy option click. Download folder minimize. Windows search box lo enter env. First option edit the system environment variables option click. System properties window lo last one button environment variables click. Second option system variables related first button new click. New system variable window lo first one variable name Java underscore home capital letters enter. Second option variable value mouse right click paste option click. First button OK click. Path option select. Second button edit click. Download folder reopen. First one folder bin select open. Address bar mouse left click mouse right click copy option click. Download folder minimize. Right side top section new button click mouse right click paste click. OK click OK click and OK click. Installation verify process. Windows search box cmd type. First option command prompt select. Command prompt shell window open. Enter the verify text command Java space ---- version. Enter key press. Installation latest version Java 25 release date year 2025 month 9th date 16 LTS version means long time support. Next Java enter. Run Java shell